in this autumn town where the leaves can fall on either side of the garden wall. We laugh all night to keep the embers glowing. Some are leaping free from their moving cars, stacking stones round their broken hearts, waving down any wind that might come blowing.
Hey everyone, how's it going? This isn't like formal or anything. I just didn't want to sit on my bed because I just steamed it. There was like a whole bunch of wrinkles in it because I just washed my duvet cover, and it just was bothering me because there's so many wrinkles in it. But yeah, anyways, so this is another book video, well, book-ish video. So I've been reading the Inheritance Games books, and they are very good. It's taking too long. Decide. Okay, well, my sisters just stole my book and read the Inheritance Games, and I haven't read it yet. So I guess I can start that. I definitely fell asleep. Are we surprised? Absolutely not. Pretty sure every time I come and lay in the sun, I fall asleep. I'm on page 57 of this book. It's actually super interesting. I really like it so far. So weird though, each chapter is like 2 pages. So like I'm on chapter 14. Sometimes books only have 14 chapters, and I'm like not very far into it. So that's kind of crazy. It's really good so far. Long day. Whoa. I got a little burnt. I don't know if you can tell from reading outside, but it feels good. So I'm not complaining. But I'm gonna eat my leftover burrito bowl and read.
How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel? Reaching out for something that is real. Babe, I'm trying to heal. I wanna run with you, run away, just run away and leave this world behind us. I wanna run with you, run away, just
I'm on the last one. So when I'm finished reading that, I'll give you a little review of everything. It has been quite cloudy and rainy and fall feeling here recently, and I don't know, I think that's perfect book reading weather. Yeah. So this is the book that I'm on. I just finished this one. This was the second one. And now I'm on the third one. I am not very far into it. I'm like 8 chapters. But if you've read these books, you know that the chapters can be like 2 pages long. There's gonna be like 100 chapters in this book. At least. Let's see how many. So like 87 chapters, which is crazy, but I kind of like it. So we're on page 28, chapter 8. These books are really easy to read. But I have to go put this back in my sister's room because it is her book, not mine. So I'll do that now. I have the whole house to myself today. Everyone else is at work. So I'm home alone. Which I don't mind. This is my sister's bookshelf. And I think they were up there, so I'm just gonna throw it up there. Oh. Yeah, that works. I seem to have difficulties with these matches. They just constantly burn my fingers, so I waste like 4 of them when I'm trying to light a candle. But we're gonna try to use one today. Come on. Ah! Okay. I did it. Really windy outside, and it's absolutely freezing in this house right now. But I don't know if you can hear it, but it's so loud. I'm gonna go fix my hair though, because this is just looking not good. Okay, it doesn't look as bad in person, but on camera it looks very bad. I don't know. Oh, I'm all over the place today. I don't know. I'll fix it a little bit. I was brushing my hair and I just have a lot of like dead ends and like split ends. That's what it's called. And so I think I'm gonna trim it a little bit. Ooh, should I give myself some like bangs too maybe? I don't have like it's just straight. Okay, I finished. It literally looks exactly the same as before, but I gave myself some more bang things, but very small amount. So you can't really tell if I have my hair normal, which is fine, but honestly I kind of cut a lot off, but it's all on the ground here. Okay. My battery is dying. It is absolutely not. I think it is. I can charge it for a bit, but okay. I need to like make the curls less curled, but you can kind of see it where I cut for my hair a little bit better now. Not really. Kind of looks exactly the same, but that's okay. Okay, so I drank caffeine this morning and I haven't had caffeine. Like I try not to have caffeine anymore, and I forgot to ask for decaf, and so I'm kind of hyper, so I might go to the gym just to get some energy out, and then I will be back to read. I'm back from the gym. Honestly, it wasn't that great. I got really tired and kind of lightheaded, so I came home early, and I'm gonna put my little comfy outfit back on to read. Dad? Dad? Do you like my hair?
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell what I did?
No.
Cut little bangs.
You cut little bangs?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Looks nice.
I cut like a tiny
just
bit
cut
of the
it?
rest of my hair. No, I did earlier.
Oh, I guess I didn't notice before. Yeah. Looks
Thanks.
nice.
Success. Okay. Time to read. Oh, I want to sit on my bed, but it's so nice. So like smooth because I did that thing this morning. I can't think of what it's called, but it's so smooth. I don't want to sit on it, but I might have to. Back to it. I'm very hungry. Just so you know. So I might have to eat something in a bit. So, but for now, let's read. I am suffocating this teddy bear.
So many fish in the ocean, they say.
It is so cold in here. I can't deal with it. Oh, so cold.
So when will the wind blow you my way? As I to make shy love, as I to make shy love. So let's pretend that we can do this. So let's pretend that we can. 'Cause as I to make shy love.